Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to give us a follow. And to my old subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in to this channel. God bless you abundantly. So today we'll be cutting this simple flea gown, this simple casual flea gown. I'll be starting by folding our material into four, just as if we are cutting a circle, we are cutting a flea. Okay, just watch what I'm doing here. I've folded it already with the fabric. I'm just using this paper to demonstrate what I've folded down on that table. You fold into four just this way. Okay, I will still do it again so you see what I did. All right, so get your fabric just the way the yard is, like this. Fold into two. Go ahead again to hold that edge side, fold it this way. Okay, that will give you that triangle on the table. Then go ahead to measure your waist divided by 4. Whatever it gives you, that's what you fix here. I've fixed mine already and I'm rolling it out so to guide me while taking my measurements. Okay, still go through to check, to cross check if what you calculated is exactly what you measured on there. Then we'll now head to the length side. To get this length side, you remove your half length, your full gown length minus your half length. That is what you're going to use here. So my half length is 18, the half length I'm working with is 18, and the full length is 45. So for easy measurement, just start from that 18 and measure the 45 you're working with. You can work with 50, you can work whatever measurement you're working for, whatever length you are working with. So that's how you're going to take it all round till you reach to the other side. After that, you cut out the flay. Okay, this is our flay. Then let's head to the upper side, which is the top of our gown, the top side. Okay, the half length side. So the half length we're working with is 18 inches. Okay, then mark your bust point, your under bust, and your half length. So my bust point is 10, my under bust 13, and my half length 18. So I've marked them out, and I will use this ruler to trace out what I've already marked out. Okay, just watch how I'm doing it. So when I'm done doing that, I will head to mark the back, then my shoulder slope, my armhole, which I'm doing, and also use my ruler to trace out what I've marked out. So it will guide me while taking other measurements. Then now I will head to my neck side. I'm using 3 by 3 for my neck because I don't want it, just as you will see the thumbnail, is not a wide neckline, is a choky neckline. So I'm using 3 by 3 for my own. That's what I've marked here. Then I use my ruler to give the neckline a very good curve. So to my armhole side, I divide my armhole into two to get the midpoint of my armhole. This will also guide me to give my armhole a very good curve and shape. Now, once I'm done doing that, I will head to my nipple to nipple measurement, which mine is 10 divided into 2 is 5. So I'll mark it out here. That's what I've done already. I've marked out my nipple to nipple measurement. Then I'll put in my darts. I'm using normal darts. I'm not using a bustier dart or other darts. I'm just using normal darts, which I've marked ½ inch by ½ inch here, making 1 inch. Okay, that's just it. That's just what I've done so far. Once I'm done doing all that, I will go ahead to fix in my body measurements, which I will go firstly with my bust measurement into 4. My bust measurement divided into 4, then my sewing allowance, my round under bust divided into 4, then my sewing allowance. Okay, then to my waist side, I will mark my waist measurement divided into 4 plus that which is 1 plus the 1.5 inch I'm using for my sewing allowance. So that is what I've marked so far, and I will use my ruler to trace out the marked measurements. So once I'm done doing that, I will head to cut what I've already measured down. Okay, so I've cut it out, and I will notch the dart side. This will help me to hold my darts perfectly well. So this is it. This is the front side. Let's head to the back side. I'll use the front side to cut the back side. All I'll be adding here is my zip allowance, which is 1.5 inches. The neckline, I'll still maintain the neckline of the front to the back, then just trace out the same thing. Okay, then see what I'll be doing here. You know, the front measurement is, the half length is 18. The front half length and the back half length cannot be the same, so mine is 1 inch bigger than the lesser than the back side. Okay. The front is 18 while the back is 17. Okay, this will give you a perfect back measurement. Then I've gone ahead to cut my lining, and here I've used the lining to turn everything, fix my darts, use my lining to turn everything, hold my darts that I've measured. This is the darts. So that is it so far, and here I'm done turning and fixing everything. It's just for me to go to my machine and join the upper side to the downside, then fix in my zip. Okay, that's just it for this style, and this is the final look. So if you find this video helpful, please do well to follow this channel and turn on your notification bell. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.